When working with people artistically, personally, creatively, you ideally want to separate the business side of what you're doing from the creative and the personal. It's just nicer. And that's what this can do. Internet crew, I received an email. An email and electronic message from DistroKid. DistroKid, be prolific. DistroKid is the easiest way for musicians to get music into Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, Google Play, Tidal, and more. Upload as much as you want to keep 100% of your royalties. That's DistroKid. Pay only $20 to upload unlimited albums and songs for 1 year. In fact, I've already done a video for them. It was called something like How to Release on iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, and some other words. It's a great video and runs you through the whole process. Anyway, this video is about Teams, something I've used myself. It's a way of automatically sharing revenue without having to ask people for money or send people money or ask the label for money. It's automatic and extremely easy. In fact, when I got added as a collaborator, I received an email. It said, here's your code, you've been added as a collaborator for so many percentage points. And then I go to DistroKid or just click the link, type in the code, boom, join the team, and that's it. I automatically get sent the split via the bank bit here in DistroKid. It's all automated and it was so easy. It, in fact, didn't even cross my mind to mention it. Oh, things that just work. It's very, very good. So anyway, they asked me to do a video about it and I thought, yes, excellent. I'm a huge fan of the platform and this feature as well. I mean, I've used the feature, I've used the platform, so let's take a look. DistroKid can split earnings from any song or album and automatically send those earnings to your collaborators. So it could be 50-50, or it could be 40-60, or 10-10, 10-10-60, or 5-2-1, and well, maths it up to 100. So anything you like, it's type in the number, it's easy. You just type in the email address and that's it. Literally, it takes care of the rest for you. Multiplier, that's great, but do an insight. So here's the insight. When working with people artistically, personally, creatively, you ideally want to separate the business side of what you're doing from the creative and the personal. It's just nicer. And that's what this can do. Because it's automatic and handled by DistroKid, showing you precisely at every moment what's happening. You don't have to have those awkward conversations. You don't have to ask that artist you like or ask your friend, bro, can you send me some money? What's happened to that release? Do you remember that track we did? Has it sold anything? Can I have some money for it? It's awkward and people forget, and it's just nicer to log into DistroKid, see what you're owed, and just type withdrawal if you're owed anything. So much nicer, and with a few other cool things. You can add unlimited collaborators to any track. You can change the splits at any time. You can add or remove collaborators at any time, and everything you'd expect. As always, DistroKid never takes a cut. You and your collaborators get 100% of all the earnings. Literally 100%. Marvelous, and wow, we're talking percentages. To get 7% off discount, so a 7% discount on your first year's membership at DistroKid, use the link in the description below. So to get 7% off, use the link in the description below. distrokid.com/VIP/multiplier to get 7% off your first year's membership. Automatic revenue sharing, computer magic via the internet, DistroKid. It's excellent. Marvelous.